Making finished state to move to next level. In this tutorial, we'll learn adding the finished state object using image sprite resources, setting the finished state attributes properties, setting the finished state collision configuration, making finished state appears in terms and condition, making the next level function when finished state object touched by the player object. In this part, we'll use the finished state PNG spreadsheet. The finished state object is using the me sprite object type 2, not a tiles. Just change the resources with finstat. Finished state attributes properties. And here is the must-have attribute details in finished state. Finished state properties. Make the properties like this. Then, to create the parameter in finished state object, we will make some local variable on the blockly pane. You can create all of the local variable in this list. Variable level used to set the next level that will load after the finished state collide with player. Variable finished state 1 and finished state 2 used to move the finished state object into the coordinate that has been saved. So after that, if all the local variables have been successfully created, the next step is to create the parameter level by go to the level object. In this case, is level 1. Then, click on the finished state object on the object level list at the right side of the Melon editor and set the configuration like this. It means when you touch the finished state on coordinate X and Y, then you will go to the level 2. You only need to do the same step for the other level you create. Collision mask for finished state. For finished state, we don't make it as an object because it just created as the checkpoint, and when the player touches it, it will move the player to the next level. So we will define it as a no object type and just respond if it collides with the player object. Making finished state appear in terms and condition. The next step is we'll back to blockly code and try to arrange these block codes. Next, to set the finished stage on place, we need to set the gravity into 0 from the blockly, or you can do it from physics tab, check collision, and set the y into 0. This block is used to move the player from one to another level. This block is used to execute all the jewels collected by the player. This block is used to set the coordinate of the jewel to the values determined. This block is used to change the types of the finished state object to the world shape. This block is used to set the finished state object animation to the idle status. Make the next level function when finished state object touched by the player object. After done, drag the finished state object to the untouchable area first to the level 1 pane. Make it hidden and make level 2 maps. Without level 2, you can implement this finished state object, but you will only perform program error. To make a smooth effect of the level movement, firstly, we can design the map structure like the image here. And after that, when the condition is fully true, the code in the blockly structure that we had created will make the transformation effect like the finished state location. To make the smooth effect of level movement, firstly, we can design the map structure like the image map below. After that, when the condition is fully true, the code in the blockly structure that we had created will make the transformation effect of that finished state location.